Vivo V19 unveiled, brings Snapdragon 712 SoC, dual selfie cameras and more. The Vivo V19 comes with a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone houses a primary camera that is 48 megapixels in size. Chinese phone maker, Vivo, has unveiled the global variant of V19. The move comes after the device's launch had earlier been pushed back because of the ongoing COVID-19 scare. The phone was originally scheduled to be launched in the last week of March but saw itself being pushed back after the outbreak of the virus. With the device being unveiled, the specs of the handset have been made available for everyone to see. However, Vivo has still not revealed the price or the date of availability for the device. Vivo V19 specifications. The Vivo V19 comes with a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. There is an in-display fingerprint scanner along with face unlock hidden underneath the display. Under the hood, there's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 SoC paired to 8GB RAM and 128GB, 256GB storage. The phone houses a primary camera that is 48 megapixels in size. There's also an 8-megapixel super wide-angle shooter, a 2-megapixel bokeh camera and a 2-megapixel macro shooter. The front of the phone houses dual punch-hole cameras for selfies. Of the two, the primary is a 32-megapixel selfie camera and the other one an ultra-wide 8-megapixel shooter. Keeping the device running is a 4500 mAh battery with support for up to 33W Vivo Flash Charge 2.0, which the company claims enables charging from 0 to 54% in a mere 30 minutes. As for connectivity, Vivo V19 includes Bluetooth V5.0, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio, dual SIM support, GPS support, dual-band Wi-Fi. Vivo V19 measures 159.64 x 75.04 x 8.5 mm and weighs 186.5 grams. Here is also low brightness anti-flicker technology for added protection in the dark. The phone runs Android 10 with FunTouch OS 10 atop. As mentioned above, Vivo has not specified the price of the new Vivo V19 smartphone. However, it is expected to start retail in India at around the 30,000 rupees mark.